Kia Sportage comes equipped with a rear fog light right here on the rear bumper. Rear fog lights are essential for increasing visibility in foggy, rainy or snowy conditions. So how do you turn it on? First, start by ensuring your vehicle's ignition is turned on or the engine is running. The rear fog light will only operate when the car's ignition is active. Next, locate the light control stalk on the right side of the steering wheel. This is where you control all the exterior lights. If your Sportage is left-hand drive, the stalk will be on the left side of the steering wheel. Now, turn on the headlights or set them to the auto position if your Sportage is equipped with automatic headlights. This step is important because the rear fog light will not work unless the headlights are on. To activate the rear fog light, look for the fog light control on the same stalk. Pushing the switch downward will turn on the rear fog light. When you engage the rear fog light, you will see a small orange indicator light illuminate on the dashboard, confirming it's active. The rear fog light is now on, providing enhanced visibility to drivers behind you in low visibility conditions. Remember, always turn off the rear fog light when it's no longer needed to avoid dazzling other drivers. To turn the rear fog light off, push the switch down again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to WheelsJoint for more Kia Sportage tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.